Right now I'm headed to the Iron Pagoda here in Kaifeng. It's almost 1,000 years old and somehow survived floods, earthquakes, and the city being rebuilt around it. I'm in I don't know what I'm in. Some kind of weird vehicle, I guess. But it seems to be getting me there, so I'll go with it. Well, there's our first glimpse of the pagoda. On a vending machine, anyway. That guy's got the same look on his face I had when my friends tricked me into eating a ghost pepper. I feel ya, brother. I bet it was those dang Szechuan hot noodles. I assume these people are either golfing or selling ice cream. Ni hao. Ta-da! There it is, the Iron Pagoda. The Iron Pagoda was built in 1049, during the northern Song Dynasty. Despite the name, it's not iron. It's made out of glazed brick. It's called Iron Pagoda because the dark brown glaze looks like iron, especially in certain light. It's about 180 feet, or 55 meters tall, with 13 stacked levels. Some people find it so pretty they drop their phone when they see it. Whoopsie! Now I personally thought it was a really cool looking sight, but it seemed there were more people interested in taking pictures with me than of the pagoda. You can.
So because
Yeah, you know GoPro, huh?
yeah, I want to buy it, but my brother told me yes, but.
These four ladies came over wanting to talk, then asked if they could show me around their university campus, which is only a minute or two walk away from the pagoda, so I agreed. Each building's a number, huh?
Yeah.
I love Henan.
And this is our soft gate.
Henan.
And
And university.
Ah, 河南
Henan.
河
Hua.
鹤
Hua.
is river, Nan is source.
Hua.
Doing,
At the source of
They were trying to teach me about how some Chinese words basically can be 4 different words depending on the tone. They used the example of which made me think the Bee Gees must have been studying Chinese while they were staying alive. And when someone says, "Don't take that tone with me in China," they really mean it, because it can mean something completely different. We talked about a number of interesting cultural issues from both of our countries. They were very friendly and wanted to continue talking. But after the campus tour, unfortunately, I needed to go as I had other things I needed to do. But it's always fun talking with locals when traveling, and the Iron Pagoda is a beautiful building, very much worth the visit.